Well, hello, my students. We're here to do math at night in this cold, cold weather where you just want to wear blankets and blankets and blankets. I thought it might be nice to do synthetic division on a video because there's really not that much to it. What someone discovered is when you're dividing, the variables really don't matter. So it's just a process of breaking it up by factors. And then going through the process, which is this. First, you just write the coefficients down. So you make a step-looking thing, and you write the coefficients down, leaving a space between the numbers and this little segment here. So 1, -3, 2. So the coefficients of the top polynomial, the dividend. Then you're going to take the opposite of this number. Or what number do you put in for x that would cause this to be 0? Now, here's the whole process. Bring down, multiply, add. So let's say it with me. Bring down, multiply, add. Yes. Bring down, multiply, add. Yes. Bring down, multiply, add. Bring down, I can't hear you. Bring down, multiply, add. Yes. Bring down, multiply, add. Yes. Bring down, multiply, add. Yes. Bring down, multiply, add. Yet louder. I can't hear you. Crawford, you can do louder. Come on, Rich. So here we go. Bring down the first term. Multiply them and then add to the next term. 2 times 1 is 2. -3 plus 2 is -1. Bring it down. Multiply, add. Now, what's happening here is this will be your remainder. This is your constant. This is the coefficient of x, and you keep going until you hit this segment. So that means this breaks up in x minus 1 with a remainder of 0. So let me show you real quick here. X minus 2 divides into x squared minus 3x plus 2. So x times x is x squared. Isn't this fun? Minus 2x, subtract. So minus x plus 2, so you'd say minus 1. Hey, this is a root for long division too. Well, isn't that nice? Then switch the signs and add. Remainder 0. But this is just so much easier because you're just dealing with the coefficients. So, let's try another one. Hoo-hoo. So, you got the little ooh-ooh. You put the coefficients. It'd be 1, 3, -2, 1. -3, always the opposite. So it's, oh, say it with me. Bring down, multiply, add. Yes. Bring down, multiply, add. Yes. Bring down, multiply, add. Yes. Here, let's get a group of people. Bring down, multiply, add. Yes. Bring down, multiply, add. Yes. So let's try it. Bring down, multiply, that's -3. Oh, we get a 0. We like 0. Because -3 times 0 is 0. Add 6. So it's 7. Now they usually put a little dash thing here to say, wait a minute, this is not part of your quotient. This is the remainder. So remainder 7. This would be -2. This is your x coefficient. 0 times x is 0. And this would be x squared. Let's do another. Oh, wait a minute, Miss Murphy. I see some terms amiss, and does that mean something? Good. Oh, sorry. Wait a minute. Well, that sounded good. Hopefully you're not about to eat lunch. Well, in long division, if a term's missing, so if you're doing long division and a term's missing, it really doesn't matter. You could put a 0 that term or just leave it blank. In synthetic division, you have to skip it. So you go 1 Oh, the x cubed is missing, so we have to put a 0 there. X squared is 1. Oh no, the x term is missing, so you have to put a 0. And then negative 2. It has to do with when you're doing the synthetic division problem, they actually factor out the x's, and then you worry about the numbers of their x's. If you don't really understand that, it really doesn't matter. So that if a term's missing, you're missing a step if you don't put the 0 in. Now it's the opposite of that number, or what number do you put in for x that would cause this to be 0? So it's, oh wait a minute, what is it? Bring down, multiply, add. Yes, bring down, multiply, add. Yes. In fact, I heard that's Justin Bieber's next song. So here we go. Bring down to 1. There's 1. There's 1. Add it. 1. Multiply it. 1. Add it. 2. Multiply it. 2. Add it. 2. Multiply it. 2. 4. So remainder of 4. So constant would be 2. Positive 2. This is a positive 2, so it'd be 2x. X squared coefficient, and then this is x cubed. And they're all positive. Woohoo! So this is negative 2. So let's see, it'd be 1. In fact, you try this on your own. Well, turn it back on, though. Mercy. So negative 2, negative 3. Wait a minute, what was the phrase I was saying? Eat chicken, mashed potatoes, and... No, that wasn't it. What was... Oh, yeah, that's right. Bring down, multiply, add. Yes. Bring down, multiply, add. Yes. Go ahead, say it to me now. Good. Okay. I think one of you guys, oops, your voice is starting to crack. You probably feel pretty good. You're growing up. So bring down, multiply, add. Yes. 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 So your remainder is negative 9, 5. That'd be negative 4x. And that's the x squared. Well, we got a couple minutes here. Go ahead and try one here. Let me put on here. Let's go x cubed minus x squared plus 4 over x plus 3. Go ahead, try it, and then I'll do it. Go ahead. Wait a minute, was that phrase? Cheese? No, that wasn't it. Okay, go ahead here. Negative 3. Oops, good land. Negative 3. Doop. 1. Negative 1. Oh, 4. So it's bring down, multiply, add. Yes. Bring down, multiply, add. Yes. Bring down, multiply, and add. So remainder is negative 32 if I didn't make a dumb mistake, which I'll be honest, right now I'm half asleep, or half awake, or a fourth hungry. So it'd be x squared negative 4x. Most of the times when you do this, the degree or the power goes down by 1 because you're breaking off a factor. Well, this was fun. I hope you're having a good life. Your homework is to pick any 5 from last night's homework of polynomial long division and do it again as a synthetic division. Now, you have to do the ones that have a binomial in the bottom. You can't do the ones with monomial. It wouldn't work. It has to be a binomial, 2 terms. But pick any 5. I don't care which 5 as long as it's a binomial in the bottom, and redo it with synthetic division. Now, hopefully you can see this is so much faster. So much faster. In the next video, I'm thinking about playing Christmas music. Oh, what a glorious time of the year. Well, don't forget to think of God and Jesus a little bit here.